Right, if you look at the front of here, I am using these floating swimming pool noodles as a form of protection for the protection bars on the ghost box before I send these off. Over the pedals here I've got a thin sheet of foam gluing to it, two pieces underneath. See, that goes over top and there's a piece on either side. I'm gluing that so that'll keep the pedals protected. And I've got the noodles down there too. So this is a swimming pool noodle, this stuff here. So you slice the ring off, cut it down the side and clamp it over the protection bars on the ghost box. All you do is pull them off, see? Just like that. And the same as them ones too, and the ones underneath. All I need to do now is cut a few thin sheets of that foam I got, put them on here, hold them there with a bit of sticky tape, whatever, on the other side, build them up high enough so I can put a piece over the top to protect that. So that's the PSB7 holder there. So that won't be impacted on anything else like the brake. This is the amplifier section here. So I've already got them measured out. I need a box about 1 foot 20 inches long by 9 to 10 inches wide to put this ghost box in it, to send that to Victoria. So there's all the protection swimming pool noodles there, cut into sections for protection. So as soon as that wood glue is dry, this whole foam piece down the other side, both side of the pedal, you do is pull that out, take the noodles off, voila. Ghost box is alright. Here's the clip that holds the PSB7 plug-in. All you do is undo the clip, plug that into your PSB7 in the holder, and when you're not using it, put it back there and clip it over and it closes. Okay, that's about all for the time being. Thank you for watching my latest update of wrapping up or preparing a ghost box to send to Victoria to feed. Now I've got to get a box to put this in here now, so that will be the next challenge. Okay, thank you for watching my latest update.